Hello, I'm Dr. Sachin Kuber from circumcision-clinic.in website, Pune city, Maharashtra, India. And today's topic is very important, that non-surgical circumcision surgery for pain-free, stitch-free and scar-free experience. So people are very scared of surgery, any kind of surgery. All the people are afraid of surgery, and that is very natural. But especially if the surgery is done on private parts or genital parts, that is testes or penis, then people are still more scared. And to avoid that scare or a fear in the mind of the patient, we have come up with a non-surgical type of circumcision. Usually all of you people know that this circumcision is usually done by surgical method all over the world, because few centers only offer the non-surgical method. And I tell you friends, this non-surgical circumcision is very patient friendly. The top 3 benefits are: it is pain free, scar free and stitches free. So there are no scars, no stitches and no pain after this circumcision. And this circumcision is done with high-tech instruments, high-tech devices which are specially made for such purposes. So there are 3 types of surgical circumcision that we do, that is basic, advanced and cosmetic. But recently we came to know that pain threshold of the patient are very less, and that's why most of the, almost say 99% patients go with now non-surgical circumcision at our clinic. What do you mean by non-surgical? A surgical circumcision involves cutting of the foreskin with the help of scissors and putting on stitches around the glans penis. But we have completely removed this part into circumcision surgery, and we have started, last 1 year we have started doing the non-surgical circumcisions, which is very well appreciated by all patients. This involves the cutting of the foreskin without the knowledge of the patients. It is painless, and that's why it is very well tolerated as well as very well appreciated by the patients. What we do is we use 2 types of devices. Number 1 is Alice clamp. That Alice clamp device is put on the penis and foreskin. The clamp mechanism automatically cuts the foreskin in 7 days, and after 7 days we remove that Alice clamp device and the circumcision is done. So patient need not rest at home for 2 days, 3 days for the recovery, as well as patients can go to their office on the same day. They don't have to rest, they can work, they need not waste their time sitting at home. Today's life is very busy, that's why people can start working on the same day. And this circumcision procedure takes 7 days. In 7 days automatically that skin will become dead and it will be removed automatically in 7 days. Now for those patients who still don't have 7 days of time, we can do a ZSR circumcision, and this circumcision is more advanced in some other way, that it is done only in 10 seconds under local anesthesia. This 10 seconds are required for cutting the foreskin with a titanium high grade high tech blade in the device, and it cuts in 5 seconds, and in next 5 seconds it seals the wounds. So important nerves are not trapped, the blood vessels, the veins, arteries are not cut, and those are effectively sealed inside the foreskin. The most important part is both of these surgeries do not produce an ugly looking scar, do not produce a painful scar after the healing. Also, there is no pain after the recovery, during the recovery and at the time of surgery. And number 3, these non-surgical circumcisions can be done on OPD basis in the clinic itself. So that's why patient does not require for a longer hospitalization. There are no salines, there are no longer and heavy dose medicines, because this is a OPD based procedure. So people are very mobile, I say. People have become very happy because of the mobility that they get with the help of this non-surgical circumcision. So are there any bad effects? So I am happy to tell you there are no bad effects. There are no side effects. Patients at any age, like patient from newborn to oldest person, can do these types of circumcisions, and they can confidently work without any fear of pain, bleeding, or any swelling, or any painful scar, or an ugly scar. So this is very useful. And in case of ZSR, the circumcision is done in 10 seconds. Patients can immediately go home after 1 hour and start resuming their job. They can go to exercise, they can go to gym, they can go to swimming, they can take shower, everything can be done. So outstation patients will be more happy for this. So patients who are from outside Pune can easily come to our clinic and do this circumcision on the same day, and they can stay or they can leave on the same day. So this is very patient friendly procedure, and it will give you best results in case of aesthetic looks, in case of cosmetic looks, because the device will cut very sharply. Remember, a surgeon can cut naturally, maybe uneven on the right side or left side or top side, but the device is a calibrated device, and this device will cut very evenly on all sides. So you will not observe that because of non-surgical circumcision, the uneven cuts on the penis or foreskin. This foreskin is completely cut evenly on all sides, that is top, bottom, right and left. Because of that, you will get a very good cosmetic result with the help of this circumcision. As well as you can drive, you can have quick recovery. 7 to 10 days are only required for the recovery, so that you don't have to wait longer. And in case of ZSR, there is a sealing silicone ring which will fall down in 7 to 10 days. The dressing is only once required. No more dressings are required. Few ointments have to be applied, as well as few oral tablets has to be taken for both Alice clamp and ZSR, just to prevent infection. Usually it is not required, but India is a country where you get lots of infections. So to prevent those infections, we need to give you some antibiotics and painkiller tablets, and this will be a very easy recovery for you. The patients will be very happy after they see the results, and thousands of patients have done circumcision through our center, and patients are very happy. So friends, this is all the take home message, that non-surgical circumcision will give you a pain-free, scar-free and bleeding-free experience. You should always ask questions. If you have anything in your mind, you can contact us through our website, that is circumcision-clinic.in, or our email or phone numbers, which are given below in the description section. So friends, thank you for watching this video, as well as please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in some next video. Thank you for patient here.